Anam Katang Mama, Anam Lajalea, Dinia. Adal Zumba Jalea, Dinia, Dunia Balanda. I think till Jalea, Dinia.
2021, we are at Northern Region to see our Chief Zachi. He's the person of the spiritual leader at Northern Region, has been doing a lot of work and a lot of things to help people at Northern Region outside Ghana and Ghana as well. We are going to see Chief and ask the work the Chiefs have been doing for so many years, and people are benefiting from him. Today we are going to use about 2 languages, which is English and Akan or Twi language, which the Chief understood very well. I'll go back to, or I'll go to Chief and find out from him where the Chief, what he's doing, what he can do and what he cannot do to the people of Ghana and beyond. Chief, before I will move on, but I suffer before to, to reach you. Why a lot of people in your, compound this morning like this? Because before I can, to get chance to you, I find it very difficult. What happened?
Yeah, because of I'm a good person.
Okay. Yeah.
That's right. Because of I'm a good person. If you are good, you will get a lot of people.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
You mean that because of the good work you have been doing?
Inshallah.
Chief, before you continue, let me find out. A lot of people are asking of who is Chief Zachi. Can you explain yourself small for me?
Yeah, Chief Zachi is a spiritual leader.
Okay.
And you understand what I'm saying? Then I help people a lot. Then if you help someone today, you understand? Judgment Day, God also can help you.
Okay.
And you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
In my life, I didn't need lie.
Yeah.
I don't want to lie with any human being.
Okay.
And if I lie with any human being, these things cannot leave me.
Okay.
So this is Chief Zachi helping people. He's a spiritual father.
Okay.
Yeah, that's Chief Zachi.
Okay. That's Chief Zachi. You hear from Chief Zachi. Let me find out about our women's. Those are the market women are there going around carrying people's things. Do you have something to help them?
Inshallah.
Yeah.
You see, if you are doing a business,
Okay.
then you want your business to go front.
Okay.
And you understand me?
Yeah.
I can do it for you. If you are selling or you are not selling,
Okay.
I can do that. People can just come and do what?
Okay.
To be buying your things every day,
Yeah.
and to be helping you.
Okay.
Then if you are a business lady or if you are a businessman, are you getting me?
Yeah.
Then if someone can want to just come inside and steal you, say the person cannot steal you. I can do that business for you.
Okay. Chief, those outside, like I want to travel to Jamaica, Canada, and a lot of things are, not giving me chance to go. Like if I reach you, can I get that chance?
Yeah, if you just come to me,
Okay.
I know the things I'm going to do, and the road will open for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chief, like a lot of people are just giving me the messages that they want to hear from you in Akan language. So a lot of messages have been coming to the phone. So can you just translate it small in Twi language for us?
Yeah. Upe market no. No be me chain. What you say? We went to my board. They bia no ko market we bet ma onto. What you say? Nipa bia bet ma ba no ko pese no to bia ade no. No pese o tu coin. No pese me bua wo. Coin no ntumi ko. What you say? We went to my fa we bet ma to nema bi. Na me ya ade bi so that road coin no bet ma bi ma.
Okay. Chief, I'll ask you a question about the instant money or pocket not dry. Somebody just give me some message that I should find out whether you are doing pocket not dry or instant money. Are you able to help people to get instant money?
Instant money. Obi friend instant money jinawaji. What you say?
Yeah.
And English they are calling instant.
Instant, yeah.
Instant meaning that when you come here, right now you take your money and go. I'm doing instant money.
Okay.
I'm doing instant money and packet no dry.
Okay.
The packet no dry, I have it 3 times.
Okay.
Are you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Packet no that no, packet no that no. But I menu mensa. What am I saying?
Yeah.
And money recharge be all. I have courtesan. Open court no. If you want the court, are you understand?
Yeah.
Then if you want the money recharge, the black one. Then if you want the white one.
Okay.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The instant money. Are you getting me? It's there.
Okay.
Are you getting what I'm saying? The instant money, when you come here, I will show you the things we are going to buy.
Okay.
So that I will do the money for you. You see, anything we are going to do, you're supposed to put truth inside on it.
Okay.
Well, I'm saying anything every day. You say that when you come here, you see a lot of people.
A lot of people.
That if I'm not a true person, you know that people they cannot come
they
here.
will not come. Yeah.
That when you throw ball to the wall, defeat the ball will come back to your chest.
Okay.
Then I already told you I don't want to lie with any human being.
Okay.
And right now I'm sitting here. When you come here, I will show you how you are going to do so that and do what. You want the instant money, then I'll finish everything. Then you take your money and go.
Okay. I just got this message again in my phone that if somebody have a court case, are you able to help person to, or they have some problem about inside the court? Do you have some help?
If you want court case,
Yeah.
then you want to win the court. When you call Chief Zachi,
Okay.
everything we got.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying? I will help you. Then if you want leadership,
Okay.
if you want leadership,
Okay.
if you are working, then you want to just go front. If you want leadership, then you call me and come. I will show you how we are going to do that. I will help you.
You mean that the politicians?
Inshallah. If you are a politician, if you are a footballer,
Yeah. Okay.
you understand what I'm saying? Any business we are doing, then you want leadership.
Okay.
Then you want protection. If you want, they should shoot you down, then you cannot enter.
Okay.
What person like? What per instant man na oba mbet ma boa. What my say? What per lotto number? Man this guy stand with you. What per lotto number? Boa dia na what per?
Okay.
What my say? What per protection na oba? What per leadership? Na what do her?
Okay.
Inshallah, mbet ma boa.
Chief, let me just throw this one. Nipa de douana we omo frame me phone so say omo bisa me say mem bisa o. Yare ban ene yare or sika draw sika well yare ban na obe treaty ana yare ban na obe tuma abwa nipa because sisi anu yare bebre owo enipa nso ana what chief because my language is not but like how are you treating the sickness?
Upe yare bia na oba me nche no mbet ma boa. Die na ope obet ma boa. But money say na wo yi number no. Who you Chief Zachi number no.
Okay.
Frame ka chem say Chief Zachi. Me yare die me pase wo ba no boa me say.
Okay.
Upe lotto number.
Yeah.
Die na ope. Frame.
Okay.
Who say nipa bi people are just being with my place. I want to do their work.
Okay.
You understand? You know that you just suffer before you see me.
Yeah.
So I don't want to waste my time.
Okay.
Here, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I want to do a lot of people. Some people come for.
Okay.
So now, if you just be,
Yeah.
then you are US, Sierra Leone,
Okay.
Cote d'Ivoire, Canada, whatever you are.
Okay.
Call Chief Zachi. You know that you bet a lot of people.
Yeah.
We are So now they also they are just.
Chief, let me just put the number before we continue. The number is 050 92 433 54 050 92 433 54. Chief, a lot of people want you to let them know if you are giving out or somebody come for a lotto number, how are you going to help the person to get a lotto number?
Yeah, if you come to Chief Zachi, then you say that you want lotto number. The lotto number, I will show you how you are going to do. Then we buy a white hen.
Okay.
Are you understand? Over to a couple. What you must say? So I will to a couple no. Now, but what you must say? If you just buy the hen and come, I'm going to kill the hen.
Okay.
And remove the number, the lotto number, the hen inside.
Okay.
Are you understand what I'm saying? Are you getting me?
Yeah.
You go in a place, you will sit inside my shrine.
Okay.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Then everything will just come successful for you before you go home.
Okay.
Then even said if you want to be my place and sleep with my place, if you are just come to far away.
Okay.
Before the lotto number, before you win the lotto number, wait my call.
Okay.
What I say? Uba hana okase upa lotto number. Baba ya lotto number no ma.
Okay.
What I say? Mo who say, but what you say na who di lotto number no asan obet ma ko kase wo da me fie wo be da. What I say?
I'm coming back to that one. And a lot of young people are now crying because of the poverty, especially the COVID. We are now living COVID system. And because of COVID system, a lot of business are going down. Are you to help people or the market women to get, something from their small business they have been doing?
Everything with God and everything with my grandfathers.
Okay.
Are you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If you want business, you want your business to go front. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Then you come to Chief Zachi.
Okay.
Inshallah, I will help you.
Okay.
If you want me to give you, I have something then I can give you.
Okay.
The only way, anytime your business will be moving.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Or anytime people will just come into your place.
Okay.
I have something like I can do it like money ritual.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Inshallah, anytime.
Okay, instant money. A lot of people are complaining that some of the people are just cheating them because of instant money. What I like, can you just do something action for me to see if I'm coming to, Chief Zachi, I'm coming to collect instant money and go and solve my problem. Can I get it in front of you before I leave here?
Inshallah, Rabbi. You see, instant money. You said that some people going some place or some people lie to some people.
Yeah.
If you lie with someone today and collect the person money and chop, judgment day you pay it.
Sir.
Now this sound the panosika. What you must say? But when you say, "Oh, I bet you aka." Oh, bet you sika and then when I say, "Oh, bet my." You pay this one before you die. Don't think that if you lie someone and collect the person money and chop. You pay this one before you die. And my life, I didn't need lie. Are you understand what I'm saying? So if I'm not a good, you here with my name and you come and ask me that who I am. And if I'm a liar, they won't introduce you for me. Then you come and ask me that who is a Chief Zachi is. Are you getting what I'm saying? And my life, I don't want to lie with any human being. But person me chop from Mobi. Who chop from Mobi now dada nipa. Now this are nipa second. No be choka. What's my say? That means me pay from me to
Chief.
Okay, money ritual now. Pay anything now. Who bring me chair me join me say me pay wow. Who bring me to me boa make a choice me to me boa.
Okay. You can take the numbers if you want to reach Chief Zachi, and what you whatever you want your problem to be solved, you have to contact Chief Zachi. The numbers is 050 92 433 54. You can reach Chief Zachi at Northern Region, Tamale location, which is Gabon Farm. You can go there wherever you found yourself, whether you are outside the country, you are in Accra, you are in Kumasi, wherever you found yourself and you want the Chief Zachi to come, to help you, you can contact that number, which is 050 92 433 54. Chief, I saw the message on my screen, and then a lot of people are just watching to see your actions about instant money, Chief.
Okay, don't worry. I will do the action instant money for you.
Okay.
You use it to be rich.
Okay.
Are you understand?
Yeah.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You use it to be rich. You are lucky and come here to do me interview.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So you don't worry, inshallah. I will do it for you.
Okay.
And one thing I want you to see. I want cotton.
Okay. The cotton, the one lying down there.
Okay, take this cotton for me.
Okay. So you can see that this is the cotton. This is the cotton I'm going to give to chief. And nothing day, I'll give the cotton to chief and see what the chief will do for me. Chief.
For cotton, mommy.
Okay.
General.
Okay, that's the empty pot. Nothing day. Yeah. Chief, nothing day. Okay.
Today, I want you to see.
Okay.
Are you understanding me?
Yeah.
We have spirit and have spirit.
Okay.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah, chief.
You wait, you will see.
Okay.
Then you go.
Okay.
And let people know.
Okay.
We have someone, the person called Zach.
Zach, okay.
You will never see anyone before.
Chief Zach.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We are not like at my place. I'm not joking with my way.
Yeah.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
Chief.
Gente, kan yang baru pamu no pabi so no pabi kan. So that so kan asu kan ya zo na to kan.
Okay, you can see. Yes. Okay.
Mbanyeza tizaza kan nete ni makumba ka kumba ba. Yana kale mbanyeza zan tizaza maka fasa.
Okay.
Nete na makumba ni yabazi. Yabazi makumba kan matera zo da so. Yamu ba kumba kan matera zo da so. Yana troba kumba kan matera zo da so. 15 muro pa kan za akombo. Nyamba tsomuno pa bisobe. Zo da so ka sura ni yazo na pokani. Iti mambiane evi tala biane ya. Ibia we pour nous se demander quoi du zo da so ka sura ni cheza ka yazo na pokani. Seulement par les cas, comme par le point de vue. Il y a des gens qui what is your name?
Yeah, Chief, you can just do the actions.
What is your name?
Dallas.
Okay.
Yeah, Dallas.
So that's so ka Dallas zona de poker no bola si bien we point check at ba. I want people to know that we have split and half split. Are you seeing?
Yeah.
Are you seeing?
Yeah.
Seulement par des cas de son cas, soit des zones où il y a des gamins, et bien on peut nous se demander quoi du monde dans son cas.
Chief!
Et bien on peut
see.
nous se demander dans son cas, soit des
Can see.
seulement par des quelqu'un, par des conditions. Il y a bien marié, il y a bien né, ils ont dans son cas, soit
Okay.
seulement par des quelqu'un, par des conditions, dans son cas, soit
Okay.
seulement par des quelqu'un, par des conditions, dans son cas,
Allah.
seulement par des quelqu'un, par des conditions, dans son cas,
Chief.
seulement par des quelqu'un, par des conditions, dans son cas,
Chief.
seulement par des quelqu'un, par des conditions, dans son cas,
Chief,
seulement par des
can
quelqu'un.
I-
Yes, you can just touch.
Okay.
Seulement par des
See,
quelqu'un, par des conditions.
this is the real
Seulement par
money.
des quelqu'un, par des
Maman Pala, it's not,
seulement par des quelqu'un,
a
par des
counterfeit.
conditions, dans son cas.
Yeah. Yeah.
Seulement par des quelqu'un, wanna change it, change it, man.
Yeah.
Change it, man.
Yeah.
I want you to change it.
That's 50 notes. Real
Seulement par
money.
des quelqu'un, par des conditions, dans son cas.
10 city.
Seulement par des quelqu'un, par des conditions, dans son
2020.
cas.
Okay.
Seulement par des quelqu'un, par des conditions, dans son cas.
Okay. Chief, it's okay. Chief, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Chief.
You said that you want money.
Chief,
Let's
it's
do
okay
that money
now.
for you.
No, it's okay.
You said that you want money.
Chief,
Let's
it's
do that
okay.
money for you.
People have sinned.
You said that you want money.
Yeah, Chief, it's okay. People have sinned.
You said that you want money. Are you understand what I'm saying? You said that you want to do. You want me to do action.
Okay. See, if you want 20 CD notes, 50 CD notes, 10 CD notes, all is here. All is here. This one is not a counterfeit. It's just the money I will use for my fuel to go back to my place. A lot of
Leave what you are doing. Are you understand what I'm saying? You said that you want money.
Chief.
All this you are just doing. That's a waste of time.
Okay.
Are you understand?
Yeah.
That's why me. I don't want to be doing action.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that thing? What is inside?
Chief, it's empty. Empty.
Put it down.
Okay.
Sweat it for me.
Okay.
Where's the sweat? I want sweat it.
Okay. Chief, let me do it. Okay. You can also
We
see.
have red and have red.
Okay.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah. Okay.
You said that you want money.
Okay.
I want you to know Chief Zachi is not joking.
Okay. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 Chief, you can also see, you can see, yes, that's Chief Zachi. If you want the instant money, pocket not dry, you can call 050 92 433 54. Call Chief Zachi at Northern Region, location Gagbon Fong. Yeah, Gagbon Fong. You can reach there. When you come to Tamale, you ask of Gagbon Fong, you will locate the chief. That's the location of the Chief Zachi. You can come and get your money you want. Yes.
I want you to open this.
Okay.
Are you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And you know that today I don't want you to go and come back and tell me that you are not rich. Are you getting what I'm saying?
So
here, when you just come to my place,
okay.
by God's grace, inshallah, I want you to prove that you'll be a rich person.
Okay.
Open it.
Chief, can I touch it?
Tell me yourself, be. Be I don't know yourself.
Okay.
Be.
Okay.
Be.
Okay.
Be.
Okay. Wow.
General, okay.
Wow.
Open the braha.
This is dollars. That is dollars. If you are outside the country, Ghana, if you are everywhere,
if you are US,
money,
then you want money.
Okay.
Inshallah, you call Chief Zachi.
Okay.
And come to Chief Zachi.
Yeah.
I will help you in money. God created us and said that we should help together. So I'm helping people because of God.
Yeah, Chief.
And I don't want to lie with any human being.
Like we went to so far as I got to see.
I want you to take the money and go.
Yeah.
I have some perfume. When you come to my place,
Okay.
I have some perfume. If I do the instant money like this, I'm going to use it for the money.
Okay.
Then you go and do what?
Okay.
You go and we starting chopping the money.
Yeah.
So when you come here, if I didn't use the money, if I didn't do the laughing time, you cannot chop it.
Okay.
So let me do it for you.
Okay.
So that you do what? Are you getting what I'm saying?
Okay.
Before you can start chopping your money.
Yeah.
Yeah, the laughing time, some left, small one.
Small one. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Some left.
Okay. That's good.
Now look,
That's
you will make
That's good.
Tama spray, money spray, man. Give me the money spray. I want you to go and start chopping the money.
Okay.
This is money spray.
Okay.
When you come, then I'll do the money for you. Let me buy the money spray.
Okay.
But because of you come here to do the interview. So that's how you are lucky.
Okay.
Are you understanding me?
Yeah.
Then I will use it and use the money
Okay.
and rub it before you can just go out
Okay.
and go and start chopping the money. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Let me put it for your hand.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So right now, everything is alright. So if you take the money,
Chief,
you can chop it.
quick, your final your final words about the spiritualism and other things, you know, what kind of